Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about past progressive. Okay, that is the tense that we use when we want to express an action that was in progress in a period of time but in the past. So, as you know, in the English we have some grammatical rules, and in this case we are going to talk about the first structure in the past progressive, that is the affirmative one. So we have four parts. First the subject, then we have to use verb to be in past, where for the plural subjects was for the singular subjects. Then we have to use the verb with ing, okay, for example, cook, cocinar, cooking with ing, cocinando, to make the verb in a continuous way. And finally, the complement. So let's see some examples here. I was preparing the dinner. I, subject, was, verb to be in past, preparing, verb to be with ing, the dinner, the complement. And in the same way with the other sentences. Then, negative structure. In this case, we have again subject in the first place. Then we have where was, and here is the change of the sentence, okay? Not. This is the important part because this is going to make that sentence negative, okay? So you can say were not, was not, or wasn't, or weren't. And then you continue with the sentence in the same way, verb with ing and complement. Here are some examples. We take the last sentences too. So as you can see, we just add the not. So the not has to go between the verb to be in past and the verb with ing. So I was not preparing the dinner. Yo no estaba preparando la cena. And for the interrogative sentences, we have to make a switch between verb to be in past, that is going to be in the first place, and then the subject. Then we continue with the verb with ing, the complement, and the interrogative sign, very important here. So again, we are going to make the samples. Was I, so let's see, so it's the switch that we make. Was I preparing the dinner? So we can use the past progressive in two cases. The first one, to describe an action that started in the past and was interrupted by another action. So in this case, we have to take into account two keywords, when and while. When, cuando, while, mientras. So let's see how when is going to be used in this case, okay? So the girl asked, what happened? So the boy said, I was writing an email, past progressive, when, cuando, the phone rang, that is past simple. So next to the when, we have to use a sentence with past simple, okay? Yo estaba escribiendo un email cuando el teléfono sonó. So the action that interrupted the other one was this, the final one, the phone rang. And in the same way, we can use while, okay? But in this case, we are going to put while I was writing an email, so while and then past progressive, comma, the phone rang. Okay, so past simple. You have to take into account this. While is going to be before past progressive and when before past simple. So you need to know that never you can put when and while in the same sentence. You have to use one of them, or while or when. And in the second case, we can use past progressive to describe two actions that were in progress at the same time in the past. For example, the girl asked, what happened? So the boy said, I was preparing dinner while Melanie was working. Okay, so both sentences are in past progressive because we have while as the conjunction. So, and because these two actions were in progress at the same time and past. So, yo estaba preparando la cena mientras Melanie estaba trabajando. Okay, so in this way, we can use the past progressive to talk about something that we were doing in the past in a continuous way.